Good morning, brothers and sisters in the hustle of trading. I'm sorry, the Nasdaq video is gonna seem like very rushed. I had done the video, literally finished it, but before I could complete it, with these things that I use, once the camera disconnects, it just ruins everything. So it disconnected, so I just had to instead of starting a, because I like it to be fresh eyes. So if I was gonna start it all over again, it was not going to be fresh eyes like I usually like it to be, you get. So I just had to just speak on the end. So I hope it's useful for you. I hope something can come out of it for you. So I was saying in that previous video that the commitment to do these things is really hard because I have a lot in the morning, like a lot in the morning. My mornings are usually tight, and then I happen to be a London session trader. So the time to do this is a real sacrifice. So it would be nice for at least while you guys are watching and if you are watching and benefiting, if you find this very useful, share with other people, share with others so our numbers can increase. I'm not necessarily doing this for the numbers, If I can even say how I started this. I started this because I have friends who are interested in trading. So I just wanted to create something that my friends can look at to learn from, then I can continue from there, if that makes sense. Like something to give them the basis, then they can ask me questions that can help me help them. From doing that, it got to doing morning analysis and all of these things. So I'm just saying that we're not doing this just for the number, but the numbers will give some extra motivation towards the sacrifice, capish? So please do your best, try to share with others, interact with it so that YouTube will know that people are interested in these things, and then they will show more people. If you follow my analysis, you'll see how they work. I know that a lot of people are benefiting from it. And I hope that, and I receive a lot of messages in my DMs of people telling me how they are benefiting from it. I would also appreciate if those comments can always be consistently put on under the post on the YouTube. If you are subscribed on TradingView, you can also put the comments there because people like references so that when people stumble on it, they can see it as something that is worth it. Especially because of the way I make these things seem so simple. Sorry, I'm busy fixing my line, so I'm using the opportunity to just talk. Because I make these things seem so simple, without people's testimonials, some people might actually struggle to believe that it's something valuable. Because people see value in complicated. Something does not have to be complicated for it to be valued, my guy. Lower time frame. If you see me for the first time, my red is for my daily time frame, green is for the 4-hour, blue is for the lower time frame. Lower time frame is 1 hour and below, because those are the areas where I enter my trades from. It helps me see where price is at. And I know where price is even without gambling back and forth into other time frames. It just helps me stay organized. So what am I looking at right here? If this candle can give me a bearish confirmation, if this candle can close anything below this range, I am definitely selling from here to go down because there's a good range. If it can close below this point, because this candle has already shown a rejection candle right here. So if this can close below it, sell to go down. But if it pushes and closes above it, which is closing in the range, how much range does this have? 500 pip range. On the second candle, taking it out, I can buy to go long to see how far it goes. If it push up and breaks above this point, I will watch it to continue saying. If it gets to this zone and continues, I will just watch it to see how far it goes. But however, if it pushes up, rejects from here, we'll sell to go down because there's a clean range. But if price breaks to this point and we sell to this point, we'll watch to see where it's going to give the bullish reversal, and from there buy to go long. But if price can end up pushing all the way down here and close below this one, we lead again for another insane sell to sell to go down. As simple as this may seem, that will be all for me for gold. But if price breaks above here and pushes up to this zone, if it ever pushes up to this zone, even if you miss the move, if price breaks to this point, do not miss this buy. Do not miss this buy because there is this clean range. I don't know if it will happen today, but whenever it will happen, do not miss it. That will be all for gold. I hope you guys have a beautiful day trading, y'all. Please interact. Let this one count. I don't even know what that means. Yeah, I'm just saying interact with it. So this particular video where I'm speaking about interaction, let it be the one with the most interaction. That will be a sign that you all are listening to me. Peace out, guys.